For this problem, if x equals 4 times sine of the theta, write the expression theta over 2 minus sine of double angle of the theta divided by 4 in terms of just x. What we have here, we have x as 4 times sine of the theta. Our goal is to write the expression theta over 2 minus sine of the 2 theta divided by 4 in just term of x. Now from x equals 4 sine theta, we can rewrite it as x over 4 equals sine theta. Therefore, the inverse sine of x over 4 is theta as a relationship of the function and its inverse. And also the sine function, by definition, is from the opposite divided by hypotenuse. We use these two values, or x and 4, for the size of the right angle. For the sine of the theta, which is opposite is x, hypotenuse is 4. Therefore, the adjacent gonna be the square root of 4 squared minus x squared, which is the square root of 16 minus x squared, which is the adjacent side. For our goal, we are going to rewrite the theta over 2, which is the same as 1/2 times theta minus 1 over 4 times sine of 2 theta. The sine of 2 theta, or the sine of the double angle, is equivalent to 2 times sine theta times cosine theta. That means our expression that we're going to replace with the terms in x, it will be 1/2 times theta minus 1 over 4 times 2 becomes 1 over 2 times sine theta times cosine theta. And on the prep work, we know that an angle theta is inverse sine of x over 4. The sine function is x over 4. And the cosine function, that what we're going to have to find based on the right triangle that we just complete. So the cosine of the theta would be the adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent is square root of 16 minus x squared. Hypotenuse is 4. Now we get the cosine theta in terms of x. Next, we're going to replace each one with the terms involving x. 1/2, an angle theta is the inverse sine of x over 4. Minus 1/2, the sine function is x over 4. The cosine function is square root of 16 minus x squared divided by 4. Simplify one more time. Now we have 1/2 multiplied by the inverse sine of x over 4. And the second term, the numerator is x multiplied by square root of 16 minus x squared, all divided by 2 times 4 times 4. That turns out to be 32. And this is the expression in terms of x that's equivalent to theta over 2 minus sine of the 2 theta divided by 4.